Hello everyone, today we're going to dive deep into CARFAX app review. To get started with a quick overview, the CARFAX app is a vehicle history and a used car shopping tool designed to help buyers make informed decisions when purchasing a pre-owned vehicle. Available on iOS and Android, the app provides access to millions of used car listings from dealerships that offer a free CARFAX vehicle history report. It includes features like an accident and service history, tracking ownership records, and a payment calculator. Additionally, the app integrates with CARFAX Car Care, allowing users to monitor maintenance and schedule and recall alert for their vehicles. And here's a quick strand about this platform. Each listing vehicle includes the free CARFAX report details, accident and service visit with ownership history and aiding buyers in assessing a vehicle calculations or conditions. The app also offers a robust fleeting option, including the mil gauge, fuel type, the color, year, and the specific features like keyless entry or a lane departure warning, helping users find the vehicles that match their presence. And talking about the weakness, the app only features vehicles from the dealership that partners with the CARFAX, including the private sellers and some dealers, which may limit their selection of buyers. Also, CARFAX reports rely on information from various sources, and not all incidents or repairs are reported. Some users have noted missing accident or service record, emphasizing on the need for independent vehicle inspection. And here's the bottom line. The CARFAX app is a valuable resource for car used buyers seeking a detailed vehicle history reporting and a user-friendly shopping experience. Its comprehensive data and maintenance tracking features like it a strong tool for informed purchasing decisions. However, users should be aware of limitations, including potential gaps in report data and a restricted vehicle listing tools. For the most thorough evaluation, it's recommended to use the CARFAX app in conjunction with independent vehicle inspections and additional research.